Okay, let's take the first example from area 4 of Passport to Advanced Math, which is manipulating polynomials. So if you look at the content of the Passport to Advanced Math, we have area 4 and area 5. Both of them are dealing with polynomials. The first part, which is the polynomial 1, deals with how to just manipulate polynomials, generally involving adding and subtracting, dividing, and stuff like that. So this problem here we have in front of us is in essentially dealing with polynomials by way of addition and subtraction. That's it. So let's see how to deal with it. Now, in solving this, there are, uh, a simple way of dealing with this. I would say the best approach, if you want, for the first approach is just to expand it. So if you want to expand this, you say, well, this is x squared y minus 3y squared plus 5xy squared, and then we're going to distribute this minus 1 times minus, and that's going to be plus. This is why they gave you this problem. They want to make sure you can deal with this, and then this is going to be minus, as you can see, minus 3xy squared, and then plus 3y squared. You see, this is minus here and times minus there. So that now, so we see xy, another xy, so that will give us 2x squared, 2x squared y. And even as soon as you get this, that gives an idea what the answer is. So we know this a and b will probably not be part of our solution because we are supposed to get 2x squared y term in there. How about the y squared term? The y squared term here is minus 3y squared plus 3y squared. That cancels out. And so we're not going to have a y squared term. That also tell you this here possibly will not be an answer. You see that? And so obviously, since this is gone, this is gone, this is gone, then the best answer will be this. And how does this become the best answer? As I can see, I have 5xy squared minus 3xy squared. That gives me plus 2xy squared, right? So that is how you solve it, if you want to expand it. That is, the quickest way to get this answer if you're good in algebra. If your algebra is not good, you can also focus on some of the individual ones. For instance, I'm going to say, well, let me take a look at the x squared y. I have x squared y term here. This become x squared y term. So that give me, this become minus minus. So that give me plus. So that give me plus. So that give me 2x squared y. So that eliminate a and b as well. Now we can say, well, now we have 2xy squared and 8xy squared. We can use this as a check, or we can also look at this one here, whether we have 6 y squared. So let's take a look at our y squared. Here we look at minus 3y squared. When we come back here, this becomes plus 3y squared. So it cancels out. They are playing with you. They want you to ignore this and keep this negative and make this and this negative. That is why they. So either way you do it, you're gonna get C. But you can also do them individually, or you can expand them, distribute them immediately, and find the answer to this. So this is pretty straightforward.